In this video, I will show how to remove Gridlines in Excel. So there are some easy and simple way to remove Gridlines. Select this corner. Now, in this color option, select white. So this is the first method. Second one, click on View and unselect Gridlines. So this way you can remove. You want to remove Gridlines in particular area. So select that particular area. And unselect this Gridlines here. So in this Home tab, select here just white as a background. To remove, select No Fill. Another method, insert, then text and select text box and draw your text box. So now you have this particular area as a without guideline. Line. So you can adjust size and also you can remove this outline. So shape format and shape outline. So select no outline. Click anywhere. So thanks for watching.